So here we've got the DJI 6 8K waterproof action camera bundle. So we're gonna do an unboxing so you know exactly what you are going to get when you get this product. So let's go ahead and start here. Let's take the tape off. I have no idea. So we're here, we got this. All right, so we've got this bad boy here, outside of the box. Wow, this thing looks nice and fancy. It's got a little handle here. Wow. Well, I had no idea it was gonna come in like this fancy of like a briefcase kind of a thing. Oh, I really like that. Okay. I should have probably done this on a table or something like that. Also, I just noticed that this was actually inside of the box as well. Okay, now that we have a table, let's do it. So, here for the action bundle, we have our tripod. So let's see if we open this up. Okay, there we go. So we've got our tripod. Oh wow, it's bendy. Okay. We've got this high quality camera battery. Okay. We've got these things. I don't know what these things are. Honestly, I just ordered this combo for the chest mount and all of that other stuff, but I have absolutely no idea what this is. So I'm just gonna put this back in the thing. In fact, I'll probably just skip the things that I have absolutely no idea. So let's go ahead and put that back in like so. Okay. We've got this. Again, no idea. I should have probably read more about what's there is. Okay, we've got these things right here. Again, no idea. Here is our, it looks like our part of our chest mount. Or some or a mount in general. So we've got that. The reason why I got this is because this guy that I watch on YouTube that makes videos of first-person view from his bike got this, and so yeah, I'm just getting it. Again, more of these things that I have absolutely no idea. I'm gonna make another video like putting everything together and stuff like that. We've got a bunch of parts that are for interlocking together. So you've got this. You got this that'll interlock with it, and you've got these things to spin on. So just a lot of interlocking parts here. Just gonna put all that stuff back in. Over here, again, you just tons and tons and tons of interlocking parts. This right here, suction cup to be able to go on your like dash cam or dashboard or suction to anything. Your USB. Right here, bunch of these parts. Another interlocking part right here. It's more of like a clip. Okay, so that's that. And then we've got the top side, so we'll go ahead and put all these bad boys back over here that were here. This camera part. Got all these. This was in there, and this. Okay, so that's this part. So let's flip it around. Okay, so again, another attachment part right here that'll allow you to attach to things. I have absolutely no idea what this is. Even more attachments. It's a really, really long attachment right here. They've got so many of these. I've got to figure out what these things are actually. monopod. Here it looks like the actual chest strap. Yeah, so this is the chest actual strap. So let's put that back in. I'm gonna keep all these Ziploc bags too, because I'm sure that there's gonna be parts flying all over the place. So we'll go ahead and do this. You've got a bunch of these things, which I have no idea what they are. This is another strap that comes with it. You have your micro SD cards. You have another strap. You have a bag that I'm just laughing because it's like you've got this little bag in here and you've got all of these parts, and then you have another strap piece right there. And so that's all inside of this briefcase, the actual like kit, the bundle, I guess you could call it. That's what they call it. So let's put everything back in and let's get to the actual action cam itself. So this thing comes with a lot of stuff, a lot. So let's see if this will actually close. I did not pack it correctly, but let's see. Oh, it does. Thank God it closes like that, because I'm probably only going to be using very few things. Okay, so now we have our action cam. So let's see what's inside of here. It says open. So we've got a so weird doing this kind of like backwards for the camera. All right. So we've got that off. So we're gonna open this. So here it looks like this is our camera. We've got some instructions. We've got this. Okay, so we've got a battery, cable. Looks like an attachment piece. You've got these little sticky things. All right, let's put all that stuff back in because I don't want to lose anything. Definitely don't want to lose anything. Here you've got another attachment piece. And your battery. And yeah, your action cam. That is the one thing. This thing was supposed to come with 2 extra batteries. Oh yeah, we did with that yellow box. And so yeah, so if we put all of this stuff back in, let's see, we'll close. Let's see if this will actually close up. Probably won't, but it's okay. So that is everything that comes inside of the action bundle pack.